Hi everyone, Joel here from Joelhood Property. Today I'm at 22 Binia Street in Yaroomba, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on just under a quarter acre of usable land. I'll grab Jansen and we'll show you through.
Binia Street, probably one of the best spots in Yaroomba, and heaps of off-street parking.
Yeah, there's actually a double garage at the back as well, so you can get boat, caravan, trailer, plenty of cars. What I love about this place is a really solid construction, core-filled block walls, super high ceiling.
Yeah, massive living areas, 2 living areas, and plenty of light, green out of both windows. It's really nice.
You've got stunning views from the top level, so views of Mount Coolum and all out through the hinterland.
Yeah, I love how you can see right into the golf course there. So sit back from the street in one of the best parts of Yaroomba. It's really good.
Yeah, amazing views. It's obviously a really large, solid home. It's got so much potential, someone's going to make it their own. For anyone that's interested, please don't hesitate to contact Jansen or myself. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next open home.